Welcome to today's interior oak counter height table design tutorial. In this video, we'll be decorating an oak counter height table using various components to enhance its appeal and functionality. Before we get started, make sure you have all the necessary materials ready. Let's begin. Step 1. Preparation. First, ensure your workspace is clean and well ventilated. Lay down a protective sheet to avoid any damage to your surroundings. Gather the following materials: sandpaper, wood stain, varnish/polyurethane, wood glue, and a paintbrush. Step 2. Sanding. Begin by sanding the oak table surfaces, including the tabletop, legs, apron, and stretchers. Sanding will smoothen the wood and remove any imperfections. Be thorough and make sure all surfaces are evenly sanded. Step 3. Staining. Now, it's time to add some color to your oak table. Apply the wood stain with a clean cloth or brush, following the wood's grain. Allow the stain to penetrate the wood for a few minutes, then wipe away the excess. This will highlight the natural beauty of the oak. Step 4. Varnishing. To protect the wood and give it a lustrous finish, apply a coat of varnish or polyurethane. Use even strokes and work methodically to cover the entire table, including the tabletop, legs, apron, and stretchers. Allow it to dry completely between coats. Step 5. Assembly. Now that the finishing touches are complete, it's time to assemble the various components. Connect the legs to the tabletop using table connectors and reinforce the corners with corner brackets. Attach the apron and stretchers between the legs for added stability. Step 6. Center support beam and corner blocks. If your oak counter height table is equipped with leaf extensions, attach them using hinges. Additionally, ensure the table's center support beam is secured to provide extra stability. Add corner blocks to reinforce the joints for long-lasting durability. Step 7. Levelers. To make sure your table stands steady on any surface, install levelers on the bottom of the legs. Adjust them to the appropriate height to keep the table balanced and wobble-free. Step 8. Final touches. For the finishing touches, add decorative brackets to the top rail and bottom rail, giving your table a unique and personal touch. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've successfully decorated your oak counter height table using a variety of components. With your creativity and these simple techniques, you can transform any piece of furniture into a stunning centerpiece for your home. Thanks for joining us today, and happy decorating!